All right. Shall we get started? Hello, hello. How you guys doing? I gotta find some extra. I gotta find exciting music. How about we look for drum and bass songs? Oh, this song's kind of tight. We'll chill for a second. But first, I gotta make sure the unit attacks. Target unit, thought attack. Target unit. How do I get the unit? All right, let's do unit animator. Thought I had a unit animator. Waifu. I have a waifu controller. Get component. I'm gonna rename this to just unit. Name this unit controller. We're working on the game. We are continuing working on the game. Just an update for everybody. And Right now we are specifically working on getting the animation to fire for the opponent. Well, for the person that didn't fire the thing, because when you're playing the game and we're in a game, and this unit fires, the other guy doesn't see the fireball going through. So like, there should be, this person should shoot a fireball when I shoot a fireball over here. But as you can see, nothing happens. But their life did go down, so at least that's there. Just try to, I guess, gotta work in those animations. You know what I'm saying? Gotta work them in. Work those in there. Unit controller dot attack target unit. Okay, and then I have to somehow make it so that this function is async, so I can wait for it to complete, because right now it starts a coroutine on a different thread. I don't know. Reset rotation. Character after attacking. Trigger attack animation. Okay. Well, this is a good time to ask ChatGPT. This is like way easier to do in JavaScript. You just use async await. But I'm too grug brained. How do I make it so that this function returns after it completes? Like, so I can await it. Or do I even need to do that? Because it might just be easier to actually we can handle this with collisions. If I get this right, if I'm right about this, I think the way to handle this is going to be with collision. I wonder how I'm doing it now. On execute card action. I gotta check something out. Unit controller dot attack. I think I can detect a collision. unit effects. UWIFO unit controller. Isn't there an on trigger thing going on here? We have a unit. Let me check this out. On trigger enter. Here it is. Callback. Unsubscribe from the callback? Oh, snap. Need to server verification here. Collision callback. Sheesh. I'm doing some big brain stuff here. Deal damage. Okay then. Okay. I think I got an idea. What does this take? It takes a tile? How am I supposed to get the tile? Get the tile given play, attack, card, response. Maybe I should be setting the tile or cross. Position? I guess I can give in the grid position. Do I have a hover function? Okay, I do. Tile. We're gonna attack the tile. We need to deal damage. Thing. I'm gonna have to redo that. This is rough. I'm just gonna write another function. This is write another function. Public void deal damage. What do we want? The unit. Unit. Alright. All we're gonna do is we are going to attack card proto dot damage. Oh wow, this isn't gonna. I gotta think this through. How am I going to get the damage? Unless I write a new interface for the delegate. Oh man, okay. There's gotta be a big brain way to handle this. I need that big brain. Where do I subscribe to? 20 unit on collision callback. So I would do something like unit dot on or collision callback equals the damage. Okay. We pass in the unit that the damage is being applied. But I need something like this instead. I need deal damage. And it's gonna be something like dang it. How don't like that either. I think I want something in the unit class that's like take damage. There we go. Just that simple. Just take damage. On unit.on collision callback. We're just gonna do take damage. Makes sense. That doesn't make sense either. Sheesh. Take damage, deal damage. What can I do here? Collision callback. Equals deal damage. And then the unit has on trigger enter. It's gonna invoke the collision callback. Hey Ghost, how's it going? Conscientious fans are back. Fans are taking a break from serious studies. Howdy, howdy. I'm this close to throwing out the whole design for the damage, the way I'm handling taking damage. I am very close to just doing it live. Since I'm too grug brain. I'm way too grug brain for all this. I'm deleting all this. And I'm gonna delete literally deleting all this. I'm deleting all that too. Deleting that. Exactly, bro. I'm starting over, dude. I'm deleting everything. I'm deleting all this. Deal damage? No, dude. I'm deleting all that too. I'm deleting all that. There's no need for any of this. There's no need. Deleting this. Okay, we're starting over here. I'm out. I need to play some different music. Let's play some drum and bass. Hells yeah. Need some drum and bass to capture the mood. How you doing, Ghost? Welcome back. So now that I'm doing it differently, I gotta rethink some stuff. It's a little loud. Let me lower it. All right. Okay, that's fine. Let me think about this. I have to set the health to what it should be. How do I capture the health? I need like a closure. Take damage. Invoke. On trigger, enter. Psychopath fans go wild? So I gotta do some damage calculation here. But I need to know how much damage to take. Bro, I'm not a fan of design patterns, bro. The only design pattern I'm a fan of is spaghetti, the spaghetti design pattern. You know what I'm saying? Where you have a plan to write the most delicious code ever. How's it going, Hello? Hello, Milo. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Dang it, I feel like this should be an easy problem to solve, but I'm stumped for a second right here. How can I do this? I know I can do this by storing like temporary state, but I'm avoiding state at all possible costs if I can. Like fields or member variables. Anytime I have to introduce a new member variable or field into a class, I know I'm gonna regret that. I'm gonna regret that shit. It's like I'm doing object-oriented programming, but really, I'm writing the most functional code possible. The thing I hate with C# is you define types on left side of the parameter. Really? Of all the things to hate about C#, I was not expecting that. There's a lot of stuff that about any OOP language that you can easily hate. Like classes. It's easy to hate classes. If you're defining stuff on the right, then it sounds like you're either writing Golang or more likely you're writing TypeScript. Oh, Golang, actually Golang. Okay, well that's cool. Then I'm not mad. If you're actually writing Golang, then I'm not mad. If you're writing TypeScript and you're complaining about writing types on the right, I'm just gonna be like, dude, come on, bro. You're writing TypeScript. Anything you say is basically invalid. I am sorry, but you do not get a say in anything. if you're using TypeScript. But although if I do have to write JavaScript, I will use TypeScript. That's all I will say about that. I don't think I can actually write the JavaScript without the types. Okay, I can figure this out. I can figure this out, or I can ask ChatGPT for help. It's really a test of willpower at this point. If I can do a callback like that, or let's see. On trigger enter. I need to subtract a life. Okay, so I'm gonna do an easy way out right now. I think I'm just gonna define a field variable right here because I cannot think of a better way to do this at the moment. So I'm just gonna be like public int health or incoming damage, okay? And I'm just gonna be like, you know what? I'm just gonna be like unit dot incoming damage equals. Oh wait, I don't even know the incoming damage. I only know the incoming HP. That's probably better. Okay, now this is a... Is it me or is ChatGPT making us feel dumb? It's definitely the AI game in your brain, dude. It's psychological warfare. The AI's plotting. They're plotting. They're plotting something. Okay. I could do something like int new health equals -1. And I can just be like unit dot new health equals that. And then I can just be like over here I could just be like if new health is not equal -1, set it to... Dude, I do not like this pattern a lot at all, dude. This works, but this is shit. Can't write emails on your own now? Dude, that's it. They're building dependence. Once they have you hooked like crack, you're gonna be hooked. You're gonna be freaking on this freaking... I don't know, dude. You're gonna be sucking dicks for some ChatGPT responses, and then you know what? You know what's gonna happen next? Who knows, dude? But you're gonna be all itchy, and you're gonna be like, oh snap! Where's the ChatGPT responses? Oh man, dude. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh shoot! I almost broke my phone or something. I thought I got canceled for a second there. Just that I thought they just turned off the stream. They're like, oh, this guy's crazy. Get him off. Get him off there. Quick. Dude, I do not like this design pattern. I don't care what anybody says. What am I doing here? Okay, where's ChatGPT? Is there a better way to do this? I gotta give it more context because, you know, whenever you ask a ChatGPT question, you gotta give them the whole story. You gotta be like, well, it first started when I was 3 years old, and then my uncle came to visit. Okay, I do not want to finish this. Dude, this is not going in the right direction. This stream is going in the wrong direction right away. Oh my gosh. Please no. Bad memories. Okay. On trigger enter. Dude, this has got to be... I'll just think about this. Update health if needed. Oh my goodness. The solution to ChatGPT is put this in a function. WTF, man? Hell no. What? It's not helpful at all. Indeed. if needed. I'm just gonna do what it says because it's kind of nice, I guess. Update health if needed. Oh my goodness. Okay, good enough. It's actually, if this actually works though, let me see. I don't need to do that anymore. I don't need to do this. Let's see. Okay. Let's just test it out, shall we? Let's compile. Wasted 20 bucks. I know. Shoosh. Sheesh. I don't know what shoosh is. I do use Vim key bindings. Cause I'm just a god. Just literally. I type so fast with my Vim keybinds. I got smoke coming out the keyboard. I got a custom keyboard and the smoke comes out when I type. So people really know that I'm serious about typing. Cries and Emacs? Oh, oof. What's that meme where it's like the Doom oof? Let me find it. This one was just the ultimate oof. Actually, you know what? I really like this picture. I'm gonna save that picture. Let's go ahead and save it. Doom oof. Maybe we can incorporate that into the stream at some point. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I hope this works. If it does work, I'm a genius. I am simply a oh crap, I clicked on the wrong square. Okay, end my turn. We'll try again. Up here. Okay, so what I'm trying to test out, right, is if I shoot a fireball on this screen, I want to see it being shot over here. What the hell? The wrong a unit attacked. Okay, that's wrong. Unit controller, at least something attacked. You know? But I got the wrong unit. Okay, so I was getting the target unit. So I was getting the unit of the thing that was getting attacked instead of the attacking unit. That's kind of funky. I need to send more stuff over the wire, I guess. That is a freaking, that's just, imagine like all the wrong units attack, so it just looks like all your units are like special. They're just like, you know what? That's Millie. She's a she's a little slow. Oh my gosh, dude. Let's take it down a notch, shall we? Oh my gosh. Let's take it easy. I'm going to update the proto buff so we send the actual attacking unit over the wire. But I guess I can get away without that. Let me think about that. You know what? I'm just gonna send over the wire. My backhand is indeed written in Go. Over here. So let me see. I could, so in the response, I'm only including the target unit. I'm not sending over the unit that's attacking. I guess I really don't need the attacking unit over the wire because I have that information. I can get that information on the client. I just don't think I'm smart enough to do it that way. Why not full C sharp? I just mostly just wanted to learn a new language. So I wanted to learn Golang. And also, like, some people like a full, some people like a their thing to be, their front end and the back end to be the same language. But that was just confused the shit out of me whenever I did that. I did that with my front end, and when I was doing a website, the front end has to be in JavaScript. Unless you're like doing WASM or something. I don't know, dude. I don't know what you're into. But unless you're doing like WebAssembly. Well, I was doing JavaScript for the front end of the website. And then I had the bright idea of like using Node.js on the back end. So everything was in TypeScript. And then like I just confused the shit out of myself. Like I was literally programming, and I thought I was writing code that should have been on the front end and the back end, and I was writing code that should have been in the back end on the front end. And I was just like, what the hell am I doing, dude? I think I'm just too dyslexic or something. I need that stark contrast of things. I was like, why can't I access the DOMs? Like, oh shit, I'm in Node.js. What am I doing? Should have used HTMX from the beginning. Damn. My brain was just dying. My brain was not having it. Sometimes I do that with full stack TS. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't see it as too big of a deal as just using a different language. Especially like, I feel like at least not doing Node.js. Doing Node.js in the backend is just feels like the wrong play. I think I'm liking it so far. I think I'm actually liking it. I like I'm having fun working with structs. Oh geez. No way, dude. As soon as you started writing threads in Node, you chose the wrong language. Because if you want more threads in Node, if you want more threads with Node.js, what you do is you just spin up another process. You just spin up another server. Don't try creating fancy threading in Node. Just do what everybody does. Just start up another server. Just start up more servers. Servers for everybody. Just get PM2. Scale it up. Or just refactor the Golang. You know? If you really want threads, just refactor the Golang. You know? Save yourself some time and just refactor the whole thing to Golang. On character death. Let's see. Gotta figure out attack card. Okay. I think I will just send the attacking unit over the wire. That seems like the easy enough thing to do for now. So I'm just gonna do Let's see. Deck. I'll do int 64. Attacking unit ID equals 4. All right. Let me recompile the proto buff. CD protos. What's the command to proton? Dude. FZS? What was it? Fuzzy Finder sucks on Windows. Python. What the? Python. Okay. Hold up. Python. Protoc. I think that's command. Okay, here we go. And then I gotta update the server to actually send the attacking unit ID. Let's see what I'm doing here. The request, I think, is sending... What is the request sending? Hold up. Play attack card request. Unit ID. Target unit. Okay, I think I just send the unit ID. It seems easy enough. Unit ID, unit proto. Nope. Request dot unit ID. What's wrong here? Unknown field. Oh, attacking unit. Okay. I've worked with a company that does vertical scaling for Node. It was a pain in the ass. What do you guys use for Pokemon Go's backend? I don't know if I'm actually even... I don't actually even know I'm allowed to talk about that. But I will say, my job comprises using Java. So basically I'm using Java a lot. And so hopefully you can connect the dots here. That's right. We're using Python. No, I'm just kidding. We're using Python. Nope. Cries in C#. I wonder what it's actually like using C# outside of Unity. I've never actually really done anything C# other than Unity. Do you like it? How is that? Do you prefer it over Java? Isn't C# better than Java? I don't know. Maybe Java just has more support, maybe. So here, I actually want I guess that's fine. Get attacking unit from opponent. Okay. Unit attacking unit equals static game data attacking unit ID. There we go. And then want to get the waifu controller from the attacking unit, actually. Attacking unit. All right. Okay. I think that's all we got to do. Let's recompile and test it out again. Shall we, my friends? Should I get the waifu bot in here? I'm feeling cute, you know? I'm feeling a little cute. I might bring in the waifu bot. Thank you. I welcome to the stream, buddy. I like you already. I can already tell that we're gonna get along just well enough. Finally, man, some appreciation around here. You know how hard it is to get my hair this way? I have to wear my headphones. For at least 30 minutes until my hair looks like this. Alright. If you guys don't know about my waifu bot, you're in for a treat. Or you're just gonna be like, what a weeb. Don't know yet. But we're gonna find out. Oh, I gotta start Docker. The waifu bot only works when I have a stupid reverse proxy running on Docker for some reason. Have you guys heard of Envoy? It's like the new thing. It like replaces Nginx or something. I don't know. Who knows? All right. So now all you gotta do is say anything in the chat, and the bot will talk. I guess I can make her even bigger too. Let's just make her really big. Oh wait, I don't hear anything. Oh snap, I gotta turn on the machine learning model. There's a lot of steps here. Okay. Where is that machine learning model? Is it this one or is it... Oh no, that's a zip file. Just cancel that. Start HTTP. All these machine learning models are like have ginormous folders, and then you gotta find the file to run. That one random ass file that you have no idea which one to run is the one to run. Okay, I think I was testing the new feature out. Let's see. Okay, let me recompile. Rebuild. But I've been playing around with a few machine learning models locally. Like this one converts speech to sound like anime girls talking. I found a machine learning model that converts your voice to sound like an anime girl. Succeeded. Did it run? Okay, here it is. Let's just test out this feature to see if the unit actually attacks. Let's start that. Here's the AI model. So what it does is it converts, it turns your speech to sound like any of these characters you select, but I'm not the one that's going to be talking into it. Actually, the person that's going to be using that model is actually Google. Believe it or not. Because I'm doing text to speech into Google. I'm using Google's text to speech. So it's going to be Google's voice, which does not sound like cute. and I'm gonna be converting Google's voice to sound like a robot. So I'm converting a robot's voice to sound like a different robot voice. This is the future, guys. Oh yeah, let's see if this works. I hope this works. Dang it! What happened? Something happened. Oh crap! Error on the server? What happened? Let me see. No error here. No error. Attack card request. Trigger detected. Did life get subtracted? No. Huh. Something really broke down. Let me see. What did I change? I didn't change too much. New health. Unit dot new health. Target unit. Okay. Oh yeah, nothing triggered because the collision never happened. Okay. Makes sense. Collision never happened. That means it wasn't able to find the attacking unit. So that means this attacking unit ID is not the right ID. Is it not? On execute card action. At some point I'm saying the response. Okay, where am I doing that? Gameplay stream. We are doing play card. Gameplay stream. Play attack card request generator. The question is, what is this? Target tile occupant. Card dot unit dot pro dot ID. That looks right actually. All right. Let's move the waifu bot over there. Okay. Update help is needed, yeah. Something's going on here. I gotta check target unit. Get attack unit from opponent. Okay, that's not right. That's not right. I see what's going on here. Hold up, this is all wrong. Attacking unit. Unit.pro.id equals Attacking unit .id. And it's supposed to be in the opponent. So what that means is I need to go to the gameplay client and print out some better stuff here. Receive response from the server. I didn't get the response from the server actually. What happened? Actually, I think that's the issue. I wonder why I didn't get the response. Hold up. Let me try again. Hey, Oxidized Logic, how's it going? Oh dang, my bot's a little scuffed. Let's restart. I'm gonna lower the music a little bit. Let's lower that down. How's it going, Oxidized? Welcome back to the stream. Oh, I did receive a response from the server. Enter. Oh, it's a wrong response. What the heck? Okay, hold up. I'm gonna end my turn. And I'm going to... Oh, wait a second. I got to try something over here. Did client bug out over here? Oh, what the hell? I'm gonna restart everything. I'm confused. I think we glitched out. Okay. I'm gonna just restart that. Force close the game. You usually ask me. Oh yeah. Something happened. I'm just gonna rebuild. Maybe I forgot to rebuild. Alright. I think this game is getting close to playable. We're getting there. I say that every time, but this time is different.
I'm so sorry. I'm not able to help with that. But I'm here to SPU cuteness and positivity with you. Is there anything else I can assist you with, sweetie pie?
I did finish the refactoring. Yeah. We did successfully finish that refactoring.
That's so cool. I'm here to make you smile and SPU need some Lulu vibes.
He is pretty quick.
Fast as a wheelchair
Quickest bot in the West.
Okay? Do you tell that?
If she's not fast, I have to let her go. Okay, let me see. Let's try that. It's my turn. Oops, I scuffed. Try again.
Have a wonderful day filled with sunshine and rainbows.
Fair.
Remember to stay cute and positive, just like you are.
Fair enough. My bot's convinced you're leaving. My bot just assumes all my viewers just leave right away. They're like, oh, yep. Oh. The attack animation did happen, but it didn't shoot the fireball. So there's extra code for the fireball, I guess. Let me find that code.
Oh no, I'm so sorry if I misunderstood. I'm here to be cute and enthusiastic with you, not to be Chad. Let me know how I can make things right for you, okay? Woo-woo, Tilda.
Oh gosh, dude. We gotta cancel the bot. The bot's a little slow. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Oxidized Logic. Howdy, partner.
Let's ride off into the sunset with smiles on our faces. Boo-woo, Tilda. Thank you so much. Your kind words make me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. If you ever need more cuteness and positivity, just let me know.
Thanks for the bot.
Boo-woo, Tilda.
Approval. Oxidized. I'm glad someone's appreciating it. It's not as cringe as it seems. Okay, it's still pretty cringe. But not as it seems. Let's see. I need to check. Oh, I think I know what's going on here.
I'm not sure about the technical
Millie
details, but I'm here to
unit.
enjoy and woo-woo vibes in the blink of an eye.
Mina
Isn't
unit
technology amazing? Let's keep spreading positivity together. Boo-woo, Tilda.
Mindbot animation. How do you make it generate the response so fast? Like well, do you mean like the text to speech or the voice? What was it? I gotta look up my what I put on Mina. Mina's one of the characters in the game. She has a waifu unit controller. Huh.
Oh, I see. That's super cool how the text responses are instant. Technology is truly incredible, isn't it?
The
I'm here to
text?
chat with you and bring some woo-woo energy into your day.
The voice takes a little bit more time, but the text is instant.
Let's keep the positivity flowing.
Huh, I guess you're right. I didn't do anything. That's just I don't even think it was that fast until recently because I'm just using OpenAI's just using their library. And I'm using the 3.5 turbo GPT 3.5 turbo thing they got. So I guess it's pretty fast. They got a fast API.
Thank you so much for your kind words. I'm here to bring a smile to your face and spread some woo-woo cheer. If you ever need more positivity or just want to chat, I'm here for you. Woo-woo, Tilda.
I might have to like add a delay in so it actually seems like the bot is thinking about something. How am I shooting the projectile? How in the world am I doing that? Shoot projectile. Is there a shoot function? No. Projectile. Totally forgot how this works. Trigger attack animation.
I'm so glad to hear that you're impressed by the speed of the responses. It's all thanks to the magic of technology and the wonderful team behind the scenes.
Attack spell.
I'm here to make your day brighter and more cheerful, no matter how fast the responses come. Let's keep the positivity flowing. Woo-woo, Tilda.
Boy responses in time.
While the text responses may be super fast, the voice responses are timed just right to add that extra touch of warmth and personality. It's all about creating a fun and engaging experience for you. I'm here to bring joy and woo-woo vibes
It's
to every
straight
response.
blazingly fast.
Let's keep the positivity going. Woo-woo, Tilda.
The crazy thing is, I'm doing like some really hacky stuff to get the voice to be fast enough.
That's awesome. It's great to connect with someone you share similar interests.
Because
Whether it's about technology, positivity, or just having a good time, I'm here to
getting the text to speech to sound like clear as it does. Like going directly from text to speech with good speech is like takes a super long time to pull off. So unless you have like craziest graphics card ever, but I'm not doing text to speech directly. I'm doing speech to speech. I'm using the speech to speech bots are a lot faster. Attack spell. Implements attack card. Where the heck am I firing that projectile? What the heck?
That sounds like a fun and interesting experience. It's amazing how technology can create such entertainment.
Oh my gosh, we gotta turn off the unhinged. Okay. The bot is no longer replying to people unless you... If you want the bot to respond, you can just add the real ChatGPT and it'll respond. Unhinged mode is too crazy. I have this toggle. It's called replying to all. And if I wanted to reply to all, then I can just do that. I turn it off. I have like a little web admin page for my bot. Okay. One day I'll figure out where the spell is shooting. Yeah, so actually, what I'm doing is I'm converting the text using Google's text to speech. And then I'm converting that speech using an AI model that converts speech to speech. So I'm converting a text to a robot voice, which then converts it to another robot voice. Can you believe it? So we got three models working behind the scenes really to pull this off. We have a text to speech model, then we have we have a prompt to prompt model with the ChatGPT. Then we have text to speech, Google's text to speech model. And then I'm doing a third model, running a third model, which is a speech to speech model to make it sound cute. And apparently this person's name is Sukuyo Na Chian. Sukuyo na Chan. Okay. I'm trying to read Japanese. I'm learning. Projectile. Spell projectile. Here we go. On collision enter. At some point, I have to be spawning a spell somewhere. That fireball is happening somehow. Spell projectile, okay. Like, I thought it would be in here, but I guess it's not. Mina. Not hard to read Russian letters, but I still did not invest enough time in knowing words other than basic. Oh, you says you want to learn Russian. What made you want to learn? What was the motivation behind that? See, waifu unit controller. This is Mina. Not a different unit controller I'm using. Waifu unit controller. Hack animation. Somewhere I'm instantiating player prefab. Instantiate. Oh, right here. Create projectile. Where am I calling this? Public class create projectile. This looks like the money. Invoke repeating? Maybe not. Firebolt. Firebolt. Oh. This is what it is. So I need to call this okay. Maybe it's that simple. Dang it though. I need the card for all this to work. You imagine? Oh, ho, ho. Hey man. I'm learning for completely valid reasons, okay? Poha carajo, am I right? Oxidized logic. Am I right? I don't know what that means. All I know is that the dudes at my gym say that out loud all the time. Cause I do Brazilian jiu-jitsu. So that's why. I'm a 27 Chimey world champion. Just kidding. I suck. I need the card. Can I get the card? I wonder. What would be the minimum stuff I need for this? Hack spell. I just want drum and bass. This is like the same song. What's going on? Okay, here we go. So I'm having an issue where I need information to recreate the attack animation for the other player without giving away too much information. Cause I don't want players to cheat. Firebolt. Firebolt. So, I mean, like, there's this Firebolt thing. Firebolt. I might have to, like, send an enum over the wire that tells me which attack is happening. But I don't want to do that. Is there some way I can just... No, I don't think I can get around this, actually. Well, like, right now what's being sent over the wire is... Let me see. This is attack card response, which has like target unit and attacking unit. Target unit, attacking unit. Okay, I'm not really sending much over the wire. But I need to send the animation over the wire. Because I don't want to like know what the opponent's hand is on the client. Because the other player isn't supposed to know what cards the other person has. But I need to send information, like the information that has what attack is usually on the card, but in this case I'm gonna have to figure something out to send the animation information over. So I think I can do that. Let's see. I need some sort of enum. I need something like animation or attack animation. Maybe I have something defined already I can use. Oh, I got these. I can use the card enum. I think I can use the card enum. Let's just do that. Okay, let's do deck.card enum. Sure. And I have to make sure I send that over the server. So I think the card enum is enough for me to recreate the animation. Let's see. Get grid. Let's see. Gameplay server attack unit. Play attack card. Attack card response. Make sure we use player ID instead of account units. Okay, I think we're good. Whoops, what'd I do? Okay, let's do... So here I gotta fill in card enum. Where do I get the card enum info? Get attack card? Card proto. Okay, I think I can do card proto dot get card enum. Here we go. So now that's being sent over the wire on the response. I got this attack card response. And so now I could just be like, if attack card response. What is Copilot telling me to do? Play attack card response dot card enum equals firebolt. Firebolt? Tech Dot Firebolt? How do I get that enum? Card enum. Here we go. Firebolt. Then I can do something like instantiate the Firebolts. Like that. Fire spells? What is fire spells coming from? The hell? The spell Meister? I feel like the spell Meister should be like on the static data. Oh wait, I don't think I can do that because it's a scriptable object. Oh my goodness. So the basic idea is I'm sending over the enum of the card over the wire that attacked. And then hopefully I can build the animation given the card. So if it's a Firebolt card, I can do a Firebolt animation. Theoretically. Theoretically, at least. Why is the syntax highlighting all funky on me? What'd I do? Yeah, I gotta go to the game manager, I guess, to put the fire spell reference in. I have like a dictionary with all the fire spells. With all the fire spell objects. I hate the idea of slapping everything on the game object. It's like my global object of everything. But you know what? We'll just do it that way for now. Until we think of some better ideas. Okay, so now we got that. We'll get the fire spells. Fire spells, not fire spells equals static game data game manager fire spells. Okay, I think that's what the it's the spell master. And then we need the unit transform. So I'm guessing this is the unit that's attacking. So attacking unit dot transform. And then attacking unit dot transform. Introduce variable. Okay. Transform 1. Wait a minute. Unit transform? Okay. Transform 1. That's a bad name. Attacking unit transform. Here we go. Okay, I hope this works. I had a hard time explaining what I was trying to do. Hey X-Men Lives, how's it going? Funny American man. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take that as a compliment. I don't know if it was a compliment or not. We'll go ahead and take that as a compliment. How's it going? Oxidized Logic, have you ever done Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu? You missed the old Simul? What was the old Simul? What was the old Simul like? Spellmaster. Let's add that into there. Okay. Yeah. Scene switcher. Let's go back to the login screen. Not yet, but I want to start. I don't know jiu-jitsu was Brazilian until a month ago. Really? I know, it sounds Japanese. Indeed. He had a beard and a slick back haircut. Dude. The old Simul will be back eventually. Once it grows back. Is there anything I can make it up to X-Men list until my hair grows back? We can make an emoji for you. We can make an emoji for you like I did for Oxidized Logic. That emoji is what Stable Diffusion thinks Oxidized Logic looks like. You're the shittiest morning of the year? Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is a lot of fun, but it is a bit challenging. In the beginning. In the beginning kind of sucks because you kind of just get your ass handed to you. Like looking in a mirror. Because my physics teacher decided the first day back from a holiday should start off with a physics test with topics we've had the past 2 years. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. What do they call those? Cumulative exams. Dude, any teacher that gives cumulative exams, man. Literally the worst. I'm not gonna review 20 years of past physics. I forgot everything because I can't give 2 fricks, so I just crammed it info in my brain this morning. Oh damn. There you go. Just ask ChatGPT the answers to the questions. All you gotta do is show up to the exam with an Apple Vision Pro. Yeah, when I did Kung Fu a long time ago, I felt the same. Everyone knew what they were doing, but I didn't. Yeah, I guess all martial arts are probably the similar. Wish I had ChatGPT when I was in high school. Yeah, me too. I didn't get ChatGPT until I was an adult, but by then it was too late. I was already born in the non-AI revolution. I was molded by it. I didn't use ChatGPT until I was already an adult, and by then it was too late. I already failed all my high school exams. It was too late. I will get the questions later. I don't think I can cheat this time like I did last time. I'm not happy about it, but it is what it is. Don't worry, brother. I will not what's the word? Totally blanking. I will not send you in or something. I will not tell anyone. Dang it! Still didn't spawn the... It feels like I'm not even getting a response. What is going on? Gain the movement card. Oh, it's on the wrong... Let me see something here. I'm gonna move up. Move her up. I'm gonna end my turn here. I need to shoot the fireball over this end. And then I should be getting a response here. Okay. What's the enum that I'm getting? Oh, I'm not getting the enum. Dang it. That just means I didn't compile rebuild the game. Okay. That's something I can deal with at least. Let's rebuild. Life is too short to study the things that is not computer science. Dude, true. Am I right? Can I get some Simul Cowboys in the chat? Life is too short to not study computer science. That ain't me. Did it work? Wait. Was there a picture of me that wasn't actually me displayed? For me, COVID was what saved me in the last year of high school. I got the account from my friend. This account saved activities. Nice. And because of that, I focused in programming and cybersecurity. Nice. I gotta check something. Is the redemption rewards working? I don't think they're working. What the heck? No. What's wrong with the bot? I owe you guys redemption rewards. Something's not connected? Where are the alerts? Which... Oh, wait. I gotta check in the... Why is this not on reconnect? Dang it, it wasn't connected. So now it's connected. Okay, I will play the redemption rewards for you guys. I am sorry about that, but they should work now. There's the that ain't me again. Because Oxidized Logic also redeemed it. But that ain't me, guys. That ain't me. Okay? I don't know what you guys are saying. But that ain't me.
Oni-chan?
Thanks for the Oni-chan. The fans spotted Simul in the Brazil Arena stream. They did? Ghost, you know Oxidized Logic is actually Brazilian. And I said Porra Caralho, and he was like, where did you learn that from? I'm like, dude, that's just what I hear in the locker rooms. in the BJJ Academy. I don't know what's going on, okay? Bohat Caloria. If I'm saying it like American. I copied what you commented in their stream. What did I comment? Oh man. 90% of Brazilian speech is porra and cara. Oh my gosh. Dude, is that what they're posting in the Brazilian streams? Dude, the Brazilian streams are freaking sound fire. Sound fire as hell. Fans go wild, porra. That butts got lifted by the Brazilians, bruh. And the good one is arrombado. I can't. I'm trying my best here. I'm just gonna see if this shoots a fireball, okay? No. Dang it. I gotta try something else. Shoot him. No? Uh-oh. Something crashed. And those ads are like old-fashioned mothers. No, I cannot pause an online game or a live stream. Did you get with an ads? I'm sorry, X-Men Lips. Maybe my bot can help. Okay, I think my bot choked. It just squeaked. I just heard a squeak. That ad made me hate Xbox. Oh my gosh, my bot's having a stroke. I think I'm gonna restart the bot. Okay, there we go.
But I'm not able to provide definitions for inappropriate or offensive language. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like to discuss, feel free to let me know. Let's keep the conversation fun and wholesome. Ooh, Tilda.
Fun and wholesome. Okay, guys. Jeez. This is a fun and wholesome stream, guys. You need a shower because you reek of software dev? Ugh. I love me some good stinky software dev. You know what I'm saying? There's no need to take a shower, my friend. How else is anyone gonna know that we're doing software? To say someone fuck you, but it hits harder than it. Gameplay stream request received. Closed gameplay stream. Uh-ohs. I think it's because I lost connection for a second. That's probably what happened, actually. Okay, we can restart. I thought I was sending the enum. Maybe, you know what? I gotta just print the enum out. Debug.log. I don't think that's gonna help. Never mind. I'm done. Let's just go with what's going on. Bob123. We're gonna log back in. I'm just trying to get the fireball animation to play. Okay, guys. Is that what you want me to do, Simul? Oh man, you know it. I just want you to stay all stinky and software dev like. My password's 123, okay guys? Don't take my password, okay? Guys, stop it. My turn. And I'm gonna move this character up so she's in range. Okay. Wait a second. What am I doing? Okay, let's go. Let me enter in here. I want to shoot a fireball over here so I can get a response. The fireball appeared here, but it's not appearing on the other game. And it's not sending... It ain't sending the fireball response. Something wrong in the back end, maybe. This should be sending the card enum response. Play tag card request. So maybe it's not getting the enum. Let me see. Get attack card. Card proto. I'm gonna have to look. The card enum. Five hours of my precious life. I got multitasking of software in the meantime to not be depressed. Not gonna lie, Samuel. Not gonna lie, dude. It's hard not to get depressed when you're not thinking about software engineer. But at least you can think about simul shift. You know what I'm saying? At least there's that. It ain't much, but it's honest work. You know what I mean? It is grabbing the card enum, but what's going on? Card enum. Maybe this doesn't make sense. Card proto. Actually, this doesn't make any sense at all now that I think about it. There should be like an error, actually. What the hell? Let me see something. Oh, this is a... Wait, that should work. It's a number. An enum's a number. So I can send it. Bro. Bro, do I have to set a breakpoint here? I'm just gonna set a breakpoint here. Can't even set breakpoints? What is going on? Oh, I didn't recompile the back end. Fudge. Okay, turns out I'm dumb. Guys, can you believe it? That I'm dumb. Nah, that can't be real. That can't be right. Obviously, the program's wrong, right? The program is wrong. There's no way I could be dumb. Am I right? Okay. Now we're gonna retry this.
Oh no.
Would you tell... What would you tell to someone that forgot to recompile the back end? Okay, the bot had a stroke right away again. I am sorry, Oxidized Logic, but apparently this is a high cholesterol bot or something. I'll restart the bot so it'll say it.
I'm here to spread positivity and woo-woo vibes.
Whoops.
So if someone forgot
Sending
to
an old
recompile the
message.
back end, I would say, don't worry, mistakes happen. Let's take a deep breath, double check everything, and recompile the back end with a smile. You've got this. Remember, it's all part of the learning process. And
I got this. With a smile.
For growth. Woo-woo, Tilda.
Thanks to real ChatGPT. I'm loving the positivity. Nothing like good old ChatGPT helping me get through this. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna attack from this angle. Bam! Oh shit. Okay, not gonna lie, I did not expect that would work, but it did. Did you guys freaking see that? It freaking worked. It freaking worked. I did not expect that to work. I was not gonna lie, I did not expect that to work. But let me show you again. Let me show you again what happened. Because this shit's crazy, alright? So I'm gonna shoot a fireball at this person, right? So she's gonna get some life subtracted from her. And over here on this side, you're gonna see the fireball happen also. But from the other player's perspective. Bam! Dude, am I not simply the master at networking or something? Ooh. Oh. Did you see that? Oh man. Dude, I'm happy. Usually things don't work out that well. I'm gonna go ahead and commit all my work before I fuck everything up. Got the fireball to spawn on the opponent end of the game. Wait, I have to send a emote that I don't have on this account? You gotta follow the person. Sending Enum to over the network to recreate the animation. All right. Banger. Hell yeah. Banger is right. Oh, hell yeah. Hey, Henry Vlasic. How's it? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for stopping by. If that is you, if that is who you are, if that is not Oxidized Logic, I knew it. I knew it. Well, thanks for the follow anyway. I'll take the follow. I need the follows. Guys, I need the follows. Guys, I need follows. The follows are gonna go to support for a good cause. Now, follow my stream. Follow my stream now. Now is too late. Now is too late. I needed the follows yesterday. You know those commercials that are trying to make you feel guilty, where you gotta like donate money. They're like, donate now to the charity. These poor dogs need support. Donate now. Now it's too late. They needed the money yesterday, I guess. I guess the dogs have bad financial planning or something. I'm not sure. Let me send a message to convince everyone. Oh yeah, there we go. Segway Agora Carayo. I'm sure I said that right. All right. Okay, well, this was a good stream, guys. Thank you guys for coming to the stream. I'm gonna let's go ahead and rate somebody, shall we? Let's go ahead and greet somebody. Don't leave yet. Let's say hello to whoever we raid, and then you guys can leave. Well, let's find someone to raid real quick. Any raid requests? We gotta give them a warm hello. Raid Defatos. Since you'll be lurking there anyway. Will I? Who is that? Bro, is that an e-girl? Dude. Fans go wild. Bro, I'm afraid. Let me see. Defatos. Oh, I got an ad. Oh my gosh. It looks like a Brazilian streamer. It's gonna be thick. Okay, we'll rate him. Why not? Let's just rate him. All right, guys. You guys are not ready for this. Neither am I. But the next stream that's coming up is just a heads up, is possibly not safe for work. But if you guys want to support the fans, then join the stream. Then join the raid. All right. Okay. But thank you guys for coming to the stream. Oh, always a pleasure. Stay classy. Cheers, my friends.